girl, I am Nessa and I am back with the unboxing video. It's late, but better late than never. So let's go and get into it. If you want to, please like and subscribe below. Thank you in advance. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get into it. Stay tuned. So we're gonna start with my Ipsy. Alright. I'm always getting brushes, but I have a brush. If you guys can see it, let's take it out. However this works. It's a brush by Moda. It looks like it's a angle shader brush. So it's kind of big compared to my other brushes. So I'll probably use this for like eyeshadow when I'm blending my eyeshadow. So this, let's see if we got a card in here. We don't got a card. I don't think we got a card. Okay, so oh, this is cute. Giving me beach vibes, y'all. Giving me beach vibes. Y'all see it? Beach vibes. Excuse my nails. I ain't had time to do them. And yeah, it's okay. This week has been rough for you girls, so yeah. Okay. Don't come out doing it. So this is our June 2020 box, and it says make waves. Alright. Okay, so we don't have like anything to go by for the pricing, so we just gonna go with the flow, y'all. Go with the flow. Okay, so the next thing in my box was, this is a mask. These two masks. I think it's by Avette. Yeah, Daily Fresh Squeeze. And then this one is the same thing. This one looks like it's, I don't know, y'all. It's like Chinese, so I can't know what that is. Okay, on to the next product because I don't speak their language. But yeah, this video might go a little fast, y'all. It may go a little fast because my camera by dead, so I'm gonna go a little fast. But next product is by First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty, there we go. And it's Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Ooh, I like primers, and especially if they matte, honey. Okay, there we go. We can see it like that, y'all. We can see it like that. But yeah, okay, so we gotta dim the video down a little bit, I guess. So the next product is by Real Chemistry. It's the Rescue Day Cream. See it? See it? Okay. Alright, so our next product is our 24-hour brow setter by Benefit Cosmetics. Ooh, I need to try it. I don't get so much Benefit stuff like in the past 2 months. Like, I gotta try this. Like, okay, don't know what it was, but yeah. So that's all in our boxy. We have the brow setter. Ooh, baby, where's she at? Okay, there she go. Brow setter. Okay, so overall, that Ipsy for the month, I'll say 3, roughly a 3, because I will use the mask, but I'm not too crazy about masks. And I love brushes. You can give me a brush in a day and I'll be happy. I got like 500 brushes in front of me, and I'm not complaining about now one of them, okay? And with the primer, I love primers, and especially if they're matte, since I do have oily skin. So that's why I say a 3, because I like the 3 things out of there. What else was this? This mask. I'm not really a mask girl, so might try, may not. I mean, I have a lot of masks that I ain't even opened since like some months ago, so might use it, might not. So yeah. And then with this brow setter, I will use it, but I'm like a dip kind of girl, or like a powder like kind of girl. I'm not really like a brow kind of girl. Like, I don't have to like do all that. As long as I fill it in concealer, I'm Gucci. Okay, so these 2 items, then maybe so, maybe not, but I'll say a 3 for this, 3.5. Yeah, so let's come on with the boxy. Come on with the Boxy. I ain't tripping off Ipsy because sometimes if we do have some good stuff, it's just this might, you know, it may be geared towards somebody else and not me. So perfectly fine with it. So let's try. I don't know. Sometimes you gotta use your makeup product to open stuff. Okay, use it as a weapon, girl. All right, so let's see. Do we have a card? Okay, we have a card in here. What they didn't get? I'm sorry, y'all. So this month is Oasis. That's the name of this month. First Aid Beauty again, y'all. I think Ipsy and Boss be kind of cheating off each other, working with each other. Cause how y'all be doing? This is a bump eraser body scrub. Ooh. Y'all, this is a exfoliant. Oh my goodness, yes. I don't know why I'm this excited, but I do need something. Like, I pamper my face all the time and I need to pamper my body. So I'm happy about this product. Yes, let's see how much it is, y'all. So First Aid Beauty KB Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It's $18. That's not bad. If I end up liking this, I will rebuy it. Now, all the products that I do review, if y'all have questions about it, comment below or inbox me. Let me know if you want my input after I start using products and I don't like review it again or tell you guys how it end up working towards my skin. Just let me know and I can let you know. Period. And it says good for sensitive skin, so yeah. And it apply onto wet skin and massage over problem areas. Rinse and apply moisture. All right, so on to the next product. We have something by Lily Lashes. It's a XXX mascara. I like the box, y'all. Like, I like this. It looks chic. How much is this? $24. Let's open this up. I got like 10 mascaras that I had got from Boxy. I don't want to open this. I'm not going to open it because I have so many mascaras open right now. I wish I could open it for y'all. But I got so many mascaras open. I don't want to open some more. Okay, this is huge. What is this? Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. Okay, I don't knock the Kardashians. I like them. My favorite is Chloe Courtney. I like Courtney because she's outspoken. I like Chloe because she a bomb. Like, she cool. But I'm not like, I ain't too crazy about the Jenners or the Kardashians. So I don't, necessarily have to go crazy about their stuff. But it said it's a foaming face wash. So we have her little stuff in here. Okay, so Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. Enjoy $5 off on your next purchase with the code Boxy5 or something like that. Let's open this up. Now, I do like cleansers, so I ain't gonna knock the products that I use. Ooh, baby, I make sure don't nobody get up in the box real quick. This is a cleanser. Oh, it's a foam facing wash. This would be so good to remove your makeup. I hope it works like I think it's gonna work. I'm gonna put Amp in her product. I hope this stuff works. It's supposed to work. We're gonna try this out. Alright, so that was $24. That's not bad because I paid $24 for my Urban Skin RX. This stuff is the bomb. Just to let y'all know, I bought some more today. And they having like a free shipping sale for like Father's Day. Yeah, so jump on it. I paid $20 plus I got 15% off. Just look up some promo codes, honey. That's what I do for everything. Okay, let's go to our next product. This is a lip liner and lip gloss. Oh my god, this better work how I think it's gonna work. This better be my color. This is Kab Cosmetics lip duo, and it's $40. Now let's see. It's in the color Charming. Wait a minute. Can y'all see? Charming. In the color Charming. I just knew this was gonna be something I want. I love nudes, y'all. I like browns. Like y'all see this brown around my lip And I like nude colors. I knew there was gonna be a color I didn't like, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna try it though. I'm gonna try it. I might like it. I don't know. Then they $40. I just knew this stuff was gonna be the bomb. I was like, $40. And it's heavy, y'all. So I was like, it's gonna be bomb. But it ain't even the color I like. But I'm gonna try red. I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone. So our last product is by Gellar. It's a multi-cream to powder trio, and it's $24. See what this is. Tiny. It's a little bit tiny. Shades of Nude. It's an eye and lip cheek palette trio. Oh, that's kind of cute. It's creamy. I mean, I like it, but is it deep, like deep enough for my skin tone? This might have to be like an under eye thing, and I don't know. We're gonna try it out, y'all. I mean, I'm not knocking this stuff. I mean, I like it. It's cute. It's chic. I can take this, you know, put it on purse, like travel side. I like it. I like it. Okay, so 24, 50, 75. Okay, so this was almost like $170 worth of things in this box this month. So it was a lot. So we just have the face wash, the lip liner, and lip gloss trio. We have the body wash. Oh my goodness, I don't think I got a lot of this. Okay, we got the mascara. I hope I didn't drop anything. And then we got this. So this one, I'll give Boxy. We're doing 1 out of 5. So when I gave Ipsy a 3, it was 1 out of 5. I ain't gonna do 1 out of 10 because I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna do them that bad. So this is so hard. This is so hard. I mean, I'll say a 4.5. I'll say 4.7. 4.79. So we're knocking on 4.8. So I'm not gonna give them a 5 because it's not my color. Now if this was my color, if this was a nude color, oh, they'll get a 5 all around, like period. Because I ain't had a palette, no type of palette in a Boxy for like 3 to 4 months. Like they sent me a lot of cleansers, a lot of masks, a lot of face stuff, a lot of brushes, but I haven't received a palette in Boxy for some months now. So I am happy for them sending me palettes now. I guess they feel like, oh, okay, this girl, she got some many palettes, so we're gonna just like stop her on palettes and get her some cleansers. I like that. Thank you for your suggestion, Boxy, but I think I know what I want. Thank you. Okay. All right, so I'll give it a 4.79. Okay, so if this was my color again, y'all, it'll be a 5. So, oh my goodness, Boxy, thank you. I like these big old full size products. Like, just stuff gonna last me, like for real. All right, well, y'all, that's everything. I had fun. I will be back. I haven't been making videos in a while. I've been working and I've been being a procrastinator. I need to stop because I miss filming and I miss getting glammed up. So I just got to figure out what I'm going to do next. Like, I need to do something interesting, like something fun, like something out of the box. So let me know some, y'all. What y'all want to see next? But anyway, thank y'all for joining me, and bye.